Assalamu'alaikum explorers, welcome back. Today we're going to learn, we'll use real objects in our library. Let's begin. Look carefully. There is a book on the table. Let's say it together. There is a book on the table. Look carefully. There is a clock on the wall. Let's say it together. There is a clock on the wall. Look carefully. There are books on the shelf. Repeat after me. There are books on the shelf. Look around. There are chairs in the library. Can you say it? There are chairs in the library. Excellent work, explorers. Today we learned, MashaAllah. Keep practicing every day. Alhamdulillah. See you in our next English adventure. Wassalamu'alaikum.